We have number 4, a power of a power. So what a power of a power states is that when you raise a power to another power, that means there's an exponent, then there's also an exponent on the outside of it. Okay, you're going to multiply the exponents. Right here, we have x to the third to the second power. 3 times 2 is 6, so it's x to the 6. Okay, you're multiplying the exponents. All right, so let's take a look here. We are going to be multiplying this exponent, so it's going to be x of 4 times 3. That becomes x to the 12. Same thing here, we're going to multiply x negative 2 times 5. That becomes x to the negative 10. But we're not allowed to leave it as a negative, so it comes down. It becomes 1 over x to the 10. Then c, let's multiply x negative 3 times negative 7. A negative times a negative is a positive, so this is x to the positive 21.